Iran has scrapped its morality police units after more than 2 months of protests triggered by the death of Mahsa Amini during her detention for allegedly violating the country's strict female dress code. In a report published late Saturday by IRNA, Iran's Prosecutor General Mohammad Jafar Montazeri said the morality police has been closed. He provided no further details about the state of force or if its closure was widespread and permanent. The judiciary continues to monitor behavioral actions at the community level, Montazeri added, according to news agency AP. The move comes amid widespread condemnation of Iran's regressive policies and counter-offensive approach to tackling protesters.